So in this question, we have a ball that is dropped from a height of 1.6 meter, is that it rebounds to a height of 1.2 meter. And we're asked about how much rebound it takes for the ball to lose 90% of its energy. So what we can do is we can figure out how much energy, what percentage of the energy is lost in a single rebound. Then we can assume that the ball will lose the same fraction of energy in each rebound. And from that, we can find how many rebounds it takes to lose 90% of the energy. So let's first try to quantitatively express the energy. Here we are given a height. So the height, we'll try to express the energy in terms of height. So energy E equals mgh. And